Hello, YouTube. I just wanted to let you know how I made my DIY wall decor for these diecast cars. I had a lot of them, like about 100 different types of cars in collections. They're cheap ones. I bought them for $1 or $2 each, but I love them. I didn't have a chance to show them off and display them in a proper way. I just had them kept in boxes like this, and they were getting scratched and worn out. But I was thinking of building something to put them on the wall. But a few days ago, I went to a dollar store here and I found these amazing drawer organizers for just $4, 4 Canadian. Actually, this thing has 3 different names. Drawer organizer, organiseur à tiroir. Please correct me if I'm wrong, because I suck in French. And then the third language, I don't know what language is it. I think might be Spanish or something. Please comment below if you know. Organizador para cajone or cajones. I don't know. Anyways, this is an 11 by 7.5, 2-inch thick bamboo, real bamboo drawer organizer that I'm gonna use it on the wall. Let's see how it works. Okay. I just removed the plastic wrap and let's start. So in order to build a project like this, what you need is a bunch of die-cast cars, a very specific secret tool called super glue, and a drawer organizer. So what you need to do is just drop a little bit of glue under the lovely unscratched wheels of these lovely guys and just put them permanently there. I will really miss playing with these guys, but it's better to be on the wall instead of in a box like this. Okay, so here what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop a little bit of glue. Why this camera is okay, it's working. But let me introduce you these lovely guys. This is a Volkswagen buggy used to be built on a chassis of a Beetle, like Beetles of 1960s and 70s mostly, with a plastic or fiberglass body shell, sometimes a one-piece body shell, and used to be handmade DIY projects or kit car projects of 1970s. This guy is a widened Volkswagen Golf. Bought it for a couple of bucks. This lovely guy is a Volkswagen Thing or Type 181. This used to be a military car, and then they introduced it to the public market in 1968, if I'm not mistaken. This is a hot rod based on a Volkswagen Beetle. This thing is almost the same thing, but in a different, it has different rims and different body paint. This guy is another buggy, fiberglass body. Wow, this is a Volkswagen Golf pickup truck conversion. So these are lovely and super rare to find on street. This guy is a shortened Volkswagen bus. Wow, look at the exposed engine here. And the surfing boards are still there. They didn't fit, so the guy had to leave the door open and I can't close it. It's like stuck. Anyways, this is shortened. Beautiful. So super carefully drop a little bit of glue on each wheel, and when you turn it over you should be careful. It shouldn't stick to your finger. It shouldn't, the wheel should not turn around either. I'm just trying to arrange them first, and then I will glue them one by one. So the air-cooled Volkswagen Beetles are going on the top. This is the second hot rod Beetle. Okay. So I put the other one this way. Okay, yeah. And these two Golf-based, two different generations of Volkswagen Golf. But these two will come here because these are like the grandchildren of these. I just need to spend a couple of minutes, glue them down, and we'll talk to you later. Ta-da! So these are all glued on the wood, on the bamboo actually. Bamboo, boomba, bimba, bamboo. Yeah, I prefer to wait a couple of minutes and then I'll try to make sure these are, stuck to the wood. But yeah, looks beautiful. Now it's, oh my God, I don't want to move them. They should stay calm until they stick to the wood. Okay, so let me turn the camera off and wait a couple of minutes. Okay, looks like it's all done. And this came out amazing. I love it, these are not going anywhere. And just the suspension system still works, but they are stuck. They're stuck here forever. The only problem I can imagine about this is dust, but I can kind of clean it later. But yeah, I prefer to keep the pickup truck like in parallel with the woods. The other are kind of angled because I wanted to be able to see the Volkswagen logo in the, on the tailgate of the truck, which is not really visible in the camera. But the rest are kind of angled, so you can see the rear end of this buggy here and the front end here. Unfortunately, we can no longer see the rear end of this Volkswagen thing. I don't know what really they were thinking when they called this thing a thing. But anyways, this lovely bus, minibus, is here. And this is going to be permanently mounted on the wall. Like this. Or like this. My Land Rover Defender collection. A Land Rover 90 as I don't know the code, but this was one of the latest ones with a different front end. Actually, the grill was different and the dashboard only. These are Land Rover Defender 110. All have snorkels and the same kind of like roof rack This one is the same thing in a different color, and this is same thing in a different color. So these two beautiful things are now my wall arts here. Enjoy and make your own. Subscribe, like, and share. Please. Have a good one.